for your average person to come up into a 120, 130 degree attic and stay longer than 5 or 10 minutes is really difficult. It's definitely hot this time of year. These attics in Houston reach, without radiant barrier, on average 120, 130 degrees during the day in the summertime. We keep extra men on our crews. That way, every hour that they work, they're taking a 15-minute break. You know, we do that because summer's our busiest time of year. It's the hottest. It's when our customers need us the most. It's when their utility bills are higher, when their ACs are having trouble keeping up with their thermostats. So we have to work in this, and we're used to working in this, but for your average person to come up into a 120, 130 degree attic and stay longer than 5 or 10 minutes is really difficult. It's tight, it's you know, difficult. Look at this guy. The position that he's in right now, trying to vacuum out all the way down to those eaves, right? But he's being very careful not to damage any sheetrock, pipes, these kinds of things. We do this. This is what we do. This is what these guys have been doing. And we don't want you to hesitate to call us no matter what time of year it is, right? Because this is our busiest time of year and we're ready.